Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update the BIOS on your ASUS TUF A15 laptop in very simple steps. Let's get started. First, check your current BIOS version. To do this, press the Windows key, then type in System Information and open it. In the list, look for BIOS version date. Keep the number in the mind. Here you can see the BIOS version and date. Keep the number in your mind. Go to the official ASUS support website, search for ASUS TUF A15 support, then enter your laptop's exact model number. Under the drivers and tools section, select BIOS and firmware. Download the latest BIOS update. Make sure the version is newer than the one you checked earlier. Save the file to your computer. It usually comes as a zip folder. Extract the file. Inside you will see a file ending with cap.copy that file to a USB drive formatted in FAT32. Enter the BIOS, shut down your laptop, then turn it on and press F2 until the BIOS screen appears. In the BIOS menu, look for an option called EZ Flash Utility or Advanced. Then select ASUS EZ Flash. Now choose your USB driver and pick the BIOS file you saved earlier. Confirm the update. Your laptop will start flashing the BIOS. Do not turn it or unplug it during this process. Once it's done, your ASUS TUF A15 will boot back into Windows with the updated BIOS. And that's it. You have successfully updated your BIOS on your ASUS TUF A15. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.